Hi everyone, I'm having a bit of a lazy old day, lazy afternoon with Annie right here. I had a lovely week last week, that's why you haven't seen me around. I had my friend from Manchester come down to stay for, well, she was here for 10 days. And, it was lovely. We just, we took a couple of days and we just lounged in the garden too. The weather was so good. So we did that. We went to see some friends. I think that was last Monday actually. We went into Guildford shopping. What else did we do? We had a good time. Had a very good time. So now, of course, it feels very odd not having company at home all the time. Well, human company. I mean, I know I've got this little monkey here and I've got the guinea pigs and everything, but I think you know what I mean. So yeah, everything's pretty good here. I'm extra tired. Yeah, health-wise has not been the best with the... I don't know if I've ever actually talked about it very much, but I've got fibromyalgia, angina, COPD, arthritis. Basically, it's very boring and it can be annoying. And I think the fibro is the reason perhaps that I'm always so tired. But I did manage this morning to go and do the reception work at church. And that, well, it was only 3 hours. And I came home, had some lunch, took the girlie out for a walk. She's allowed out for walks now, which is wonderful. She found things to roll in. But she had a fun time. I might take her out again nearer supper time. Hubby is working a full day today. He left at 5:30 and he won't be back now until going on 8 o'clock tonight. So it is a long day. And it's sunny and I'm just looking at that window and I'm like, ooh, better wash it. I bet you when... I'm not a betting... Oops, daisy. I'm not a betting person. But I bet you that when the snapshot of the video comes up on YouTube, I'll bet you that they pick the worst picture of me ever. I mean, have you ever looked and just thought, oh, what on earth? Why couldn't they have picked it when I wasn't putting such a silly face or something? But, you know, you can see the sun coming in now. Let's see, if I have to draw the curtains, I will. But yeah, so that's that. We dug up, I don't know, did I show you the state of the garden? I think I might have done one in the last video, but one of the plants we had out there had like iris leaves and red berries, and I didn't know what it was, so I went online, of course, and did a search and found out what it was. And I don't remember the posh name, but it was called stinking iris, of all things. And if you squash the berries, they smell like rotted meat. Not very nice. And it said it was poisonous to dogs. And little Annie was getting in it a lot. So on Thursday, it all got pulled up, disposed of, and then I was thinking, well, what on earth can I put in its place? So I've bought a camellia, and I will be putting that in shortly, I think, if Madam here lets me. When she's sleepy, she has a good habit of needing my thumb and my finger in her mouth. Not to bite. It's more like a comfort thing. Who knew dogs needed comfort toys, which include my thumb? But anyway, so that's the garden, and I've also put in the forsythia bush and some little bits around it. So it's coming together. It is coming together. Knitting still happens. Everything is just pootling along. Mostly, I have to say that the fatigue is what is doing a number on me. So, yeah, how long have I been talking? Well, that's not very long. Not even 7 minutes. And I'm thinking, what can I talk about? I got a parcel from Temu today. Well, I don't even remember ordering it. I don't remember even paying for anything. But they've given me stuff which I liked. So, another bag. Inside it, it has this sort of, like a tie, I suppose, cloth handle, and it fixes on, of course. It's got the clippy dips, but I was like, oh, I don't always need bags. I have a lot of bags. Imelda Marcos had shoes. I have bags and bags and bags. Now, what else did they send? Ooh, hold on. They sent this. The dog's got right up close to me again. Hold on. Let me see if I can open this. No. No, no, no. No bite. No bite. I'm going to try and just see if I can get this out of here. Hang on, hang on, hang on. All very pretty, and today I choose to be happy. It's a little wooden thing. It's got where you can nail it, or you can put the threads through. I like it. What else did they send? Some garden stakes, you see. It's really good. A carpet. Yeah. So I feel like there's something else. Oh, some bits for the dog. And a little thing for the windows. No bite. No bite. I say no bite to her, and she goes, she's a funny girl. Yeah. So I've got a lot of stuff from Temu to put away now, or put up, or whatever. I've got windows to clean. I've got laundry to do, beds to change, dogs to look after, guinea pigs to look after. There's only 24 hours in a day. How do you do it all? I don't know. Anyway, that's long enough with somebody biting my thumb. So I'll see you all soon. You take care. Bye. Oh, and I will be more with it next time.